Hello students, welcome to Maths lecture. So today we are going to start our new lesson number 17, Geometrical Constructions. Okay, so till now we have learned the construction of angles, then angle bisector. Okay, but in this lesson we are going to see that how to construct the perpendicular lines. Okay, now what is a perpendicular? So see, here they have given you one box. Let us try this. Okay, so let us read that. In the figure here, the line L and the line N intersect at point M. Okay, see, here in this figure, they have shown you that line L and line N intersect, means they pass through each other. Okay, they pass through each other through the common point M. Okay, they are intersecting lines at point M. Okay, they intersect each other at point M. Okay, so measure every angle formed at point M. Now, if we measure the angle between these two lines with the help of protractor, see, you will get an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so if an angle between line L and line N is a right angle, we say that the lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so line L and line M intersect at point M and they form an angle of 90 degree, means they form a right angle. Okay, so lines which intersect each other and they form a right angle, that is the angle of 90 degree, then we can say that lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so the lines which intersect each other at one point and they forms an angle of 90 degree, an angle of right angle, then such lines are called as perpendicular lines. Okay, understood? So line L and line N are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so symbolically we write this in this way. This is written as line L perpendicular to line N. Okay, so symbolically it is written as this. Okay, understood? Now we are going to see that how to draw a perpendicular line at a point on the line. Okay, means when the point is given on the line, then how to draw a perpendicular line to the given line. Okay, so for this there are three ways to draw the perpendicular lines. Okay, so we have to use three instruments. First is set square, next is protractor, and the last is compass. So using these three instruments, we are going to learn how to draw the perpendicular line. Now we will move to practice set 39. Let us read question number 1. Draw line L. Take any point P on the line. Using a set square, draw a line perpendicular to line L at the point P. Now here in this first question, what you have to do? First, you have to draw line L and taking any point P on the line, with the help of a set square, we have to draw a line perpendicular to line L at point P. Okay. So first for that, you will need a set square. Okay. So first you have to do is you have to draw line of any measurement okay you have to name it as line L. Then the next step is you have to take point P anywhere on the line L. So I will take point P here. Then with the help of a set square, see, I will keep my set square at point P in such a way that the vertex of this set square will exactly fall on the point P, like this. Okay, and then you have to draw line till point P. Okay, you can extend this line downwards also, like this. Okay, so you can name this line as RP. Okay, line RP. Now line RP and line L are intersecting each other at point P. So both these lines should form an angle of 90 degree. So let us measure the angle. See, you can see that they forms a right angle. Okay, it means angle RP perpendicular to line L. So you have to write line RP perpendicular to line L. Okay, so in this way you have to draw a perpendicular line using a set square. Now next, let us read question number 2. Draw a line AB using a compass. Draw a line perpendicular to AB at point B. Okay. Now in the second question, you have to draw a perpendicular line using a compass. So for that, first you have to draw one line of any measurement. You have to name it as AB. Okay, now here we have to draw a line AB you have to draw line AB and it's perpendicular at point B. So you can take the point on line AB here. Okay, understood? Now with the help of compass, keep your compass, the center of your compass at point B, and taking a convenient distance, you have to draw two arcs on line AB, and then you have to name the arcs as CD. Then keeping the center of your compass at point C, you have to take the distance more than half and you have to draw one arc like this. Similarly, you have to keep the center of compass on arc D, and you have to draw the arc taking the distance of more than half. Then you have to name that point where the two arcs join each other, cut each other, as E, and you have to join E and B like this. Okay. Now with the help of protractor, you can measure the angle formed by the lines. See, they form 90-degree angle, that is right angle. Means line EB is perpendicular to line AB at point B. So line EB perpendicular to line AB at point B. Okay. Now the last question, question number 3. Draw line CD, take any point M on the line, using protractor, draw a line perpendicular to CD at M. So the third is, you have to draw perpendicular using protractor. So for that, first you have to draw line CD of your measurement. So I have drawn line CD. Now what they have told you, take any point M. They have told you to take any point M on the line. Okay, means we have to take point M on line CD anywhere. Okay, at line CD. So I have taken point M on the line CD. Now with the help of a protractor, you have to keep the center of the protractor at point M, and you have to mark the angle of 90-degree like this. And then you can name it as S, and you have to join point S and point M. Okay. So it forms the angle of 90-degree. Okay. Line CD and line SM intersect each other at point M. Okay, they forms the angle of 90-degree, that is the right angle. So it means line SM perpendicular to line CD, okay, at point M. Okay, so these are the 3 ways for drawing perpendicular line. Okay, understood? So using a set square, compass and a protractor. So I hope you might have understood. Now in the next lecture you will be learning that how to draw a perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line. Now in this lecture we have learned to draw the perpendicular to a line at a point on the line, that is by taking the point on the line. Now in the next lecture we will be learning to draw perpendicular to a line from a point, that is by taking a point outside the line. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.